Hey guys, quick video for you. This is going to be for an oil change service on a MTD lawnmower. They're all about the same. But something I wanted to show you, save you a little bit of money. See, this is the second one I'm doing today. I've already done one. This is a Briggs & Stratton oil filter, right? This bad boy costs anywhere between $10 to $20 depending on what store you go to. Most of them range in between around 15 bucks for that filter, for this little filter right here. Well, I did some digging online, and this is a CarQuest oil filter with the same thread pitch. It's just a little bit longer, but this is, in my opinion, actually better because it has more filtration, more pleats, more surface area for the oil to be filtered on. It's about 1/3 longer. And there's the part number right there. This is CarQuest. You can get this at Advanced Auto. This is like $5.49. Now actually, you can go even cheaper. If you go to Walmart, the SuperTech filter and the Fram are both below $4. And I believe the part number on that one is 3614. I looked it up under a 99 Saturn Sl1, and that's how I got this filter. But I just did a little research. I was thinking, you know, why am I paying $15 for this? I gotta buy two of them because I have two motors, when this is $5 and I overpaid for this, you know, $5, 50 cents for this. Why is that $15? It's $15 because you're paying for that name right there. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that you do not have to pay that to do a service on your mower. That's ridiculous. So there's that CarQuest filter. R85 348. You can tell this one's pretty old. It's a John Deere filter, so you know they probably paid $20 for that filter just because it says John Deere on it. Absolutely crazy. Taking advantage of people for no reason. So yeah. Take a little bit of that oil, make your gasket. Just a nice thin layer on there. That helps it not to stick to the housing. I'll set it down so I can get one more turn on it. It's probably good where it's at, but I want to stay. There you go. And also, the same goes for the oil. The Briggs & Stratton engines, they call for a 30 weight SAE 30, and you can actually use 5W30 or 10W30, but I just got this SAE 30 HD oil. Nothing wrong with this stuff. This is $4.44 a quart, and these engines call for about 48 ounces. Now granted, that's with that filter. So with this filter, you got, you know, 1/3 more capacity. So mine was, I want to say, around 52 ounces. I used about 20 ounces that I had left of the Briggs & Stratton 30 weight oil in my garage. And this is 32 ounces, and I used, what is that left? I used about 14 ounces. So I used about, I don't know. Anyway, $4.44 a quart. $5. Get 2 quarts and you're good. Less than $15, you're done. Just thought I would help you out.